Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some bomb garlic parmesan chicken tenders. So crispy, so delicious. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you can try it for Super Bowl Sunday. Of course, it can be fried. If you like to fry it, you can. But today I'm using my air fryer. So stay tuned. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoy it. And if you're going to try it, leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? And let's dive in. All right guys, I have about 2 pounds of chicken tenderloin here. I am going to pat it dry with a napkin because these are going in the air fryer and we want to make sure they're nice and crispy, okay? So once you're done patting them dry, you are going to add some olive oil to it. Gotta make sure I get all the moisture. Alrighty, so it doesn't like boil in the air fryer. Drizzle some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons, should be good. Just a little bit more. Now, once you have that nicely coated with the oil, you're going in with your seasoning. Here I have onion and garlic powder, ground black pepper, paprika, dry parsley, and some creole seasoning. So I'm going to mix that up just like this. And then we're going to sprinkle the seasoning on here. Mix, sprinkle, just like that. This is a quick, easy recipe. If you're looking for something more healthy, you don't want to fry the chicken. That's why I'm making this recipe air fried, okay? It's gonna come out great, nice and crispy. Once you have the chicken nicely seasoned, you're going to set it aside. I'm going to grab the egg. I'm going to crack 2 eggs here. I'm going to mix that together. The egg is going to use as a binder to help the flour stick on the chicken. I am going to grab my chicken, dip it right in the egg. Make sure you let any of the excess egg drip a little bit. Then we're going to put it on the flour very lightly, okay? Very lightly. Very lightly coated with the flour. Just like this. And we're going to set that aside. Going to place it right in the egg. Let the excess drip. Place it to the flour lightly. Well, let's use 1 finger for the flour. Just like that. Set it right there. All right, guys, I'm all done with the chicken. As you can see, you can come closer so you can see how they're looking. Looking pretty good. This is how they're supposed to look. Now I have my air fryer ready to go right here. I am going to leave that air fryer down below. I got it from Amazon. So it's very spacious. Although it's non-stick, I am still going to spray it. And then we are going to place our tenders right in there. Try not to put them too close, okay? Last one. Now I'm going to spray it again, once more. We're going to cook these for about 15 minutes on 380, and then we'll flip it over. 15 minutes. All right, now we wait. All right, guys, let's give this a check. It's really hot. It smells amazing already. They look good so far. I'm going to flip them over for another 15 minutes, and then we can make our sauce. We're going to spray it once again. We're going to cook it for another 15 minutes. All right, our timers just went out. They look good. I can tell you this much. They look very crispy. Come take a look. I'm about to make the sauce. Look at that, nice and crispy. Now, don't be afraid of the color. Once we add our sauce, we should be good to go. Look at that, nice and crispy. All right, time to make the sauce, so let's get that going. To make the sauce, I am using about 4 tablespoons of butter. That's unsalted. I'm going to allow that to melt. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm using fresh garlic today. I'm going to cook that for a few seconds. Then we're going to add in some parsley. I want to add my parmesan last. Let that garlic fry a bit. Then we can add the parmesan just a little bit for now. We can sprinkle it on the chicken once the sauce is on there. So a little bit more of that cheese. And there you go. I'm going to pour that butter all over our chicken. Now I'm going to pour that butter all over my chicken, just like that. And there you have it, garlic parmesan air fry tenders. All right, guys, time to try these tenders. They look so good, so crispy. So let's give this one a try. Cheers. Definitely crispy, so flavorful, so easy and so quick to make, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a like for me. Subscribe if you're new here. I'm watching you. Make sure you subscribe. Also, leave a comment if you're going to try this out for Super Bowl. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys. Wow, they are juicy.